Imagine you wake up tomorrow and your toaster starts giving you dating advice. Now, this isn't a bad dream. We're about to enter the age of AI-powered everything, and it's going to change your life in ways you can't even imagine. Stick around to find out how. Hello, and welcome back to Futurtech Tearoom, where we bring you the latest tech news. It's no secret that AI is already everywhere, from the voice assistants on our phones to the filters that make us look cool and flawless in selfies. But what if I told you AI is about to take things to a whole new level? We're talking gadgets that can anticipate our needs, personalize our experiences, and maybe even scold us a little for unhealthy habits such as our eating. For example, keeping track of calorie intake and physical activity. Companies like Humane, Rabbit, Brilliant, and even Meta are at the forefront of this AI revolution. They're developing a new generation of smart devices that are about to blow your mind. So in this video, we're diving deep into the amazing and maybe a little bit scary world of AI gadgets that are about to change the way we live. So starting off, we're about to warp speed into April 2024, a month that just might be remembered as the dawn of a new technological era. Sounds like a bold claim, right? Well, hold on to your hoverboards, because in the coming weeks, a wave of gadgets is about to hit the tech market, and they're not your average run-of-the-mill tech toys. Picture a world where your gadgets not only respond to your commands, but anticipate them. That's the reality on the horizon thanks to these AI-powered marvels. Take Humane, for instance. Their voice-controlled AI pen isn't just a glorified remote. It's a pocket-sized AI assistant ready to answer your questions, rock your playlist, or even capture a memory with a simple voice command. But Humane is just the tip of the iceberg. Rabbit's R1 is poised to become your new tech sidekick, and Brilliant Labs is about to unveil smart glasses that go beyond just looking cool. Meta, the social media giant, isn't sitting this one out either. Their latest update to their smart glasses throws in a real-world seeing eye AI companion, ready to guide you through your day. This isn't just a sprinkle of AI here and a dash of AI there. These gadgets aren't about tacking on some fancy AI features. They're built from the ground up with AI as the core. When you tap your Humane pin, it's not just a button press. It's a conversation with a network of language models figuring out what you need and how to make it happen. The same goes for Rabbit's R1 and Meta's upgraded glasses. Need to know the brand of that snazzy jacket you just spotted? No problem. Their built-in AI brains will tap into a universe of image recognition and data processing to serve the answer on a silver platter. AI isn't an afterthought in these gadgets. It's the whole show. It's the conductor of the technological orchestra, ready to create an entirely new user experience. Ah, the million-dollar question. Will one of these gadgets be the revolutionary holy grail that makes everything else look like a relic from the Stone Age? It's tempting to imagine a single device so mind-blowing it'll echo the feeling of getting your first flip phone, then watching the iPhone leave it in the dust. But let's be real. Tech revolutions rarely happen overnight. Here's the exciting part. What we're about to see is an explosion of fresh ideas in how we interact with technology. Each of these AI-powered gadgets will bring a unique twist, a novel way to bridge the gap between humans and machines. It'll be like attending a tech innovation expo, with each booth showcasing a glimpse of the future. We might not have the single earth-shattering device just yet, but this first wave will paint a vivid picture of what's to come. So get ready to be surprised, intrigued, and maybe even a little bit confused. But hey, new tech can be a learning curve. But most importantly, get ready to witness the birth of a new era in human-machine interaction. Now the elephant in the room. Why even bother with these AI gadgets when you have a perfectly good smartphone in your pocket? After all, powerful AI assistants like ChatGPT and Gemini are already available as apps. And with rumors swirling about an AI invasion of iOS, why wouldn't you just stick with your phone? Here's the thing. Smartphones are fantastic multi-tools, Swiss Army knives of the digital world. They won't be replaced by these AI gadgets. Anyone who tells you different is probably selling something. But here's the secret nobody talks about. Smartphones can be a chore. Think about it. To do anything, you have to unlock this little brick, stare at it, find the right app, wait for it to load, tap a million times, maybe switch apps again. It's a process. Sure, smartphones offer a universe of possibilities, but using them efficiently? Not so much. And with the App Store model focused on quantity over streamlining experiences, that's unlikely to change. That's where these AI gadgets come in. They produce a smoother, more intuitive way to interact with technology. Think of them as specialized tools designed for specific tasks, eliminating the friction that bogs down your phone experience. We'll explore exactly how each device achieves this in the coming segments. But for now, remember, these aren't smartphone replacements. They're aiming to be a more streamlined way to get things done. Isn't it amazing to think about? Having AI that just knows what you need, making things easy without needing to tap around on your phone or switch between apps. Smartphones are cool, but they're not really designed for anything specific. These new gadgets with AI, though, they could change everything. Imagine having something that's always there when you need it, ready to go with just a word from you. This could shake things up big time in the tech world. You've got giants like Google and Apple ruling the smartphone game with all their apps. But what if AI comes along and mixes things up? Lots of companies are trying to jump into the AI gadget market, hoping to find their own place before Google and Apple take over everything. On the other hand, Google and Apple are rushing to add AI stuff to their phones to stay in the game. AI leading the way in tech could be a game changer. It might bring back that feeling of getting something really cool and new like when smartphones first came out. But there are some problems too. AI is still pretty new, and sometimes it messes up. And when we talk about making things simpler, there are worries. What if AI doesn't understand what you want? What if it doesn't know your favorite stuff like music or coffee places, or which credit card you prefer? Trusting AI is going to be important, but right now, a lot of folks aren't so sure about it. Okay, so AI gadgets sound cool, but how do they deal with the problems we talked about, like when the AI acts weird or gets confused with all the automated stuff? Well, it seems the smartest move right now is to mix both human control and AI smarts. There are companies like Humane and Rabbit making web apps where you can set up your preferences, accounts, and payment methods for your AI gadget. Rabbit even lets you show your device exactly how you want things done. They both have screens where you can check what the AI's doing or change its plans before it does anything. Then you've got Meta and Brilliant, who are doing things differently with their AI glasses. They might send you to your phone for more info, or just not try to do everything at once. Let's be real, AI isn't perfect yet at handling every situation. So what's the deal here? It feels a bit like the early days of smartphones, like way back in 2004. Remember those wild phone designs? Well, these new AI gadgets probably won't be perfect or have everything you want. Even the companies making them know it's still early days. The thing is, before the iPhone came along and changed phones forever, there were all sorts of weird designs out there. Right now, everyone's trying to find the perfect iPhone of AI, but maybe that's not the right goal. After all, the cool thing about AI is that it might get rid of the need for a specific interface altogether. Instead of one perfect iPhone of AI, we might be seeing a bunch of unique and innovative gadgets, kinda like the razor or the chocolate from back in the day. They're all paving the way for the future, even if it's a little chaotic. And that's a wrap on our glimpse into the existing and maybe slightly chaotic world of AI gadgets. However, we've barely scratched the surface, and in the coming weeks, it's gonna be a crazy ride, and we want you on board. Here's the deal. If you hit that subscribe button and smash that notification bell, we promise to keep you in the loop with all the latest AI news and stories. We're a growing channel, and your support means the world to us. So let's keep exploring the future of technology together.